Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix File Explorer Windows 11 slow. Chapter 1. How to fix File Explorer Windows 11 slow restarting Explorer. To start, right-click on Start and click on Task Manager. Here, select Windows Explorer. Once selected, click on Restart Task. Wait for the environment to load again to fix the slow File Explorer error. Chapter 2. How to fix File Explorer Windows 11 slow deleting items. To start, right-click on the Start menu and choose Run. Here, enter the command that we left in the video description. Click on OK. After that, select all the elements, click Delete. Chapter 3. How to fix File Explorer Windows 11 slow disabling indexing. To get started, open File Explorer. Here, go to the Home section. Then right-click on the Downloads library. Click on Properties. After that, click on Advanced. Now, uncheck the box. Allow files in this folder to have content indexed in addition to file properties. When you apply the changes, you must leave the box activated. Apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. Again, right-click on Downloads and click on Properties. Here, go to the Customize tab. In the Optimize this folder for section, confirm that the General Items option is present. Apply changes if necessary. Chapter 4. How to fix File Explorer Windows 11 slow rebuilding the index. To start, enter index in the search box. Click on Indexing Options. After that, click on Advanced. Click on the Rebuild option. This process must be confirmed. You just have to wait for the system to take care of the reconstruction process. Chapter 5. How to fix File Explorer Windows 11 slow freeing up space. To get started, enter disk in the search box. Click on Disk Cleanup. Wait for the analysis to be done. Now select the desired boxes to delete. Click OK and click Delete Files to confirm. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.